Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Okay, first of all, just having a child abroad, and just because you're a U.S. citizen, does not immediately translate to the fact that the child is a U.S. citizen. Many times the child is, but it depends on different factors. And citizenship law is kind of strange. It's not the law that's in effect today, it's a law that's in effect at the time that the event occurred that would determine whether or not citizenship passes to the child or not. And there's things like residency requirements, for example, for you, how long have you been in the United States prior to the birth? Are you a single mom? Are you married? What's the status of the spouse? Who is the child raised by? There's all kinds of issues that need to be determined whether or not the child is in fact a U.S. citizen. And the fact that you're asking now about how do you get her U.S. citizenship when you couldn't do it abroad because of COVID, does that mean the child is still abroad or the child is with you in the United States? So at the present time, I would need to know where the child is. If the child's in the United States and the child qualifies for citizenship, then that means that it is a matter of filing to do a passport application. You have to submit the necessary evidence. You do what's necessary to go forward, and then, if approved, the child will get a U.S. passport. Otherwise, you could go to USCIS, and again, you need to prove it, and get a certificate of citizenship. If the child is still abroad, then there should be no reason, other than the child not qualifying, that the child can get the certificate at the U.S. consulate. So it all depends. There's several issues, but if it's done properly and the child qualifies, then the child can become or is a U.S. citizen. Okay.